idea to get Google Street View of the nose of El Capitan. Nothing like that has ever been done.
The last few days, I've climbed the nose with a camera rig that shoots 360 photos.
We had to bring down a tripod and a photographer. We had to get really creative with the rigging.
Okay, man, I think you can actually wrap in, and we're just gonna try it.
We created Street View up the nose. So you should be able to click your way up the route and see the position and the climbing and go pitch by pitch all the way up the mountain.
They're just amazing images.